Comes to the equity market and the initial public offerings and the primary market, that is initial public offerings of the companies are in the primary market, and it is the secondary equity markets where the trading is done. So here it's important that Sri Lanka moves towards a more agro based economy. The agro-based production here, rather than depending on the the meat or fish for our consumption. Through agri-products, I think we can develop our brains, minds, perfection, and take control of brain cells and the cognition processes through agricultural related products, especially vegetables and rice, etc. So because that we can move into a more higher level through the brain, mind, and cognition process through avoiding the meat and fish. And also it's important to, in this regard, to create the especially to the Nasdaq, which is a stock exchange in the virtual stock exchange digitally created in USA for technology driven companies in the Simi Valley, known for technological invention companies like Microsoft, Intel being listed in this particular technology driven stock exchange. Similarly, Sri Lanka must create agriculture stock exchange in the Colombo Stock Exchange premises in a digital environment, where the physical agriculture stock exchange digital trading board would be located at the Colombo Stock Exchange premises, and also thereby having branch offices in agricultural areas, trading areas like Damulla, Jaffna, Polonnaruwa, Kilinochchi, Anuradhapura, Nuwara, Matara, Ambalipitia, Ratnapura, etc., so that their officers they are located could seek listing for capital raising through that. Especially the agriculture sector, the main problem is the equity, and the banks are reluctant to give loans, and even if because they have a problem, if the crops get destroyed due to rains, the banks are unable to recover their loans to the farmers, and the farmers have suicided a lot during the past because of this reason of inability to pay the loans, and subsequently the government step in to settle the loans, and to make sure this problem depending on the bank loans is get over, is like really we may move out of it by raising agriculture related companies and the farmers equity through the capital, through equity markets, rather than debt capital. We can go for equity capital by contributions of other citizens of this country.